If you want to use a free VPN in Google Chrome, the easiest method is to install a Chrome extension that handles the connection right inside your browser. In this tutorial, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process using a free VPN extension so you can browse with a different location in just a few minutes. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tutorials just like this one. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Since we're using a browser-based VPN, you don't need to install a separate app or change your whole device settings. Everything happens directly inside Chrome, which makes this one of the fastest ways to get started. Now, in the top right corner of Chrome, click the three dots menu. From there, hover over Extensions, then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will open the official extension marketplace where you can find browser add-ons, including VPN tools. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, click the search bar and type free VPN, then press Enter on your keyboard. You'll see several results, but the one we're looking for is free VPN for Chrome, VPN Proxy VPN. Click on that extension to open its details page. On the extension page, you'll see the installation button. Click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then ask for confirmation, so click Add Extension. After that, the extension will install automatically. This usually only takes a few seconds. When the install is finished, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the puzzle piece icon. This is where Chrome keeps your extensions. Find and click Free VPN for Chrome, VPN Proxy VPN in the list. If you want quicker access later, you can also pin it to your toolbar. After opening the extension, click Continue, then choose Continue with Free. This will take you into the free version of the VPN service. You may see a small pop-up or intro screen, so if anything appears, just click through it carefully until you reach the main setup. If you see an X or close button on any welcome screen, click that to move forward. After that, you'll usually be prompted to choose a server location. Select any location you want from the list, depending on the country you want to browse from. Once you've selected the location, press Start. The VPN will connect, and after a moment, your Chrome browser traffic should begin going through that location. At that point, your free VPN is active and ready to use. You can now browse websites with a different virtual location directly in Chrome. This can be useful for extra privacy, testing region-specific content, or simply getting started with a VPN in the easiest way possible. If this video helped you, please remember to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I post more simple tutorials like this all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.